today's video, I'm gonna be doing something that's long overdue. After 2 weeks of living in here, I think it's finally time to clean her out. The wide view made her look like a short bus. This is a little bit better. How bad could it possibly be in here? All right, it's pretty bad. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some organizing too. How about this side? A little better. Could be worse. Definitely gonna have to do some dusting. I also haven't deflated this air mattress in probably about 3 to 4, probably about a month now, so we'll probably do that and see what's underneath. Definitely take care of all of our laundry, since I have access to a laundry and washer machine and dryer right now. And now look, everybody, this isn't the standard case for everybody who's been living out their car in a matter of 2 weeks. I'm just a particularly not that clean of a person, I guess, and need to work on my cleanliness skills. The first thing I'm going to do is probably just get all this laundry out of here and get it washing. For this, I think I'm just going to take the sheet off like that. Throw that over there. Voila. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, real comfortable. Real comfortable stuff right here. Voila. I don't know why, but I was like expecting there to be like a lot more dirt underneath the mattress, but it really isn't. It's looking pretty good so far. Except this stain. I don't know where this came from exactly, or if that's even gonna come out. Oh yeah, I forgot I have this connected somehow. Maybe I don't? Okay, no I don't. Look guys, it's back to a normal SUV with back seats and everything. But to be honest, I don't like it. That's really nasty. I am not gonna lie. Blech. The almond that I've been looking for that I dropped a week ago. I'm just kidding, I didn't eat that. It sounded like it though, didn't it? What's going on, bud? I gotta close this. I think we're good. I'm over here at Waters Car Wash, which is honestly one of my favorite car washes to go to. I think you get the most bang for your buck. It gets your car clean, and then afterwards you get free vacuums and free towels and just a bunch of things that you can use to clean the inside of your car. So I highly recommend Waters Car Wash if you're around here. Looking nice. Look at those shiny wheels. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this side compared to this side. This is looking good. I don't know, y'all. This is pretty spicky spam if you ask me. Oh yeah. One thing I do gotta do is get like a seat cover so this hole doesn't get bigger, and then this shit doesn't come off. I don't need that doing that. I know it's loud as hell, but one thing that I never used before are these mat beaters. So I'm gonna put my dirty mat in there and see how well it works. Man, that car is looking nice. And on a side, like real great note, I just won $500 in this scratch off. So, I mean, this day is just turning out to be just freaking great, man. Just freaking great.